Let's talk about the Ford F-150 Bubba, a truck that's managed to work its way into legend status among F-150 fans. Big, loud, and basically a billboard for American truck culture. Your neighbor either owns one or desperately wants to. Bubba, for the uninitiated, isn't really a trim level. It's a state of mind. Lifted suspension, custom rims, LED light bars, sometimes a camo wrap. If you can't see over the hood, you're in the right place. Subtle? Not exactly. The pain point here is daily practicality. You buy a Bubba F-150 because you want to see over all your neighbors, but good luck squeezing under the drive-through overhang. Don't even think about old parking garages downtown, unless you want free rooftop access. So why do so many go this route? Because stock just isn't enough. You see your buddy install a 6-inch lift, and suddenly your own ride looks like a mere golf cart. It's peer pressure, but for horsepower and tires. Trust me, it's contagious. Honestly, I get it. In Portland, the rain hits different, and there's something satisfying about not caring if the water's ankle-deep at the curb. With a Bubba F-150, puddles become your personal playground. You feel like an off-road king on regular city streets. If you're aiming to join the Bubba ranks, step 1, research the right lift kit. Some go for 2 inches, some want a full foot. Pro tip, over 4 inches, you're probably replacing brake lines, drive shafts, and kissing your warranty goodbye. Math matters. Next, tires. The official Bubba starter kit includes at least 35-inch all-terrains with aggressive tread. This instantly adds about $1,600 to your build, plus the joy of knowing your fuel economy just tanked from pretty bad to laughably tragic. Budget for gas. Customization is a whole hobby here. I've seen everything. Digital camo wraps, custom grills that spell out F or D in backlit letters, dual exhausts that are probably louder than legally allowed. The only real limit is how much you're willing to spend. The truth is, few will ever take their Bubba F-150s off-road. Most of these trucks live soft lives hauling groceries, not mud, and yet the aesthetic is non-negotiable. Image counts. You want to look like you just returned from rallying in the Badlands. But everyday driving, you notice the trade-offs. Parking becomes a find two empty spaces puzzle. If rain turns to snow, you'll plow right through, but you'll also pay $150 for a single tire rotation. Basically, living the dream isn't maintenance-free. For anyone worried about reliability, just know that a poorly installed lift can mess up your steering, sometimes permanently. A pro install isn't just for looks. It's about not wobbling across 4 lanes at 65 miles per hour. Spend for quality if you value your life. I've yet to meet a Bubba who fully regrets the decision, even after the 10th gas station stop in a week. There's a community here, a nod at the intersection, a wave on the road. Sometimes it's not about logic, it's about being in the club. And hey, in Oregon rain, big tires just make sense.